Hi friend, you're welcome once again to my tech and thank you for choosing this channel. I appreciate your time here. I'll be using 5 minutes of your time, and this 5 minutes that you are spending on this video will help you a lot to get money. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a Facebook page and start making money from your Facebook page. So without wasting much time, let's start. So to create a Facebook page, you go to Chrome, you just search Creator Studio. What is that? Search Creator Studio and you click on Facebook. The first option here is Facebook Creator. So click on the first option. Pins like that is what you see. So you see Creator Studio. Okay, Creator Studio. Just click that. Click on Creator Studio and create your page. Okay, so you get hit on get started and page name. Okay, so Asabi, then you click on next. Okay, so what category best describe this page? So what are you going to do in the page? What are you going to talk show? Is it a musical platform or whatever? So pick this image. So as you can see, and then save. So this is the cover and then the profile image. After that, hit on done. Okay, so let's continue. So this is your telephone number. Yes, you have your number there, and then get more messages, show people your number, create WhatsApp ads. Okay, let's hit continue. So as you can see, so connect WhatsApp to Facebook. So if you want to connect your WhatsApp account to Facebook, you just can connect it, get more WhatsApp, create WhatsApp ads, and so on. You can do a whole lot of things there. You can edit. So if you want to connect your WhatsApp, code now. Okay, the code has been sent. Okay, you just have to look for the code 44814. Okay, sorry. So the code 44814. And let's continue. Alright, so I have connected the WhatsApp plus this. Okay, alright, so let us go to next. Complete your page, add image. Okay, so this is my image and continue. So as you can see, the page has been created. This is my page. Now I can start posting my videos and everything. Add image. You can do a whole lot of things. You can invite friends here, add image. Okay, you can invite friends to like this page. Okay, and then join groups. You can also join other groups and then connect to WhatsApp. So these are all some of the settings that you can. So as you can see, this is the page that I have created, and I can post anything here, and if I meet the requirements, I will be able to get some passive income from this. And you can also market your products here. So guys, this is how you can create a Facebook page and start making money from it. Thank you for watching this video. See you. Bye bye.